How to fix keyboard lags in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if your keyboard lags while texting, then close all the background apps. Now close all the background app. After closing all the background app, then restart your device. Restart your device, it can fix your minor glitches. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and scroll down and click on general and scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset and here you can see the option reset keyboard dictionary. Now click on it and then enter your passcode to reset your keyboard. After reset your keyboard settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.